And we do apologize for that technical error with that story. Moving on now, there is a deepening economic crisis and energy crisis unfolding in Cuba. Locally, Cubans are involved in an emotional crisis as they prepare to say goodbye. Here's Romarda Lyons with this TVJ News exclusive, Discharged, Cuban healthcare workers leave Jamaica.
The main problem is the program end, and that was very painful for every Cuban.
On Saturday, March 21, 2026, Cuban doctors were crying at the St. Joseph's Hospital Eye Clinic. It was their last full week working locally. The sadness stemmed from knowing that they won't be able to help the people who need it.
I'm here in Jamaica since 2 years ago. When I learned that the program will finish, I felt very sad.
She says it's a tough goodbye.
In everywhere here, in every parish, in every public hospital here in Jamaica, in every health center here in Jamaica, you could find Cubans. The population of Jamaica will feel that the Cubans are not there.
Another Cuban doctor spoke to me Saturday morning on WhatsApp. The doctor said, quote, "All of them are sad. It is more than a program. It is feelings. It is something deeper than signing a contract. It is love and belonging." End quote.
More than doctors and patients, we are sisters and brothers. We are neighbors. We are family.
Dr. Reed Holder is the Regional Technical Director for the Southern Regional Health Authority. What would you say is the mood now among the Cuban healthcare workers? Is it one of frustration, anger, sadness?
It's a one of sadness because as Jamaicans, we are warm people and they love us and we love them. And in terms of the relationship that they would have formed with our persons within the rural areas and different, we are going to miss them, and I know they'll miss us.
The partnership between Cuba and Jamaica started with 14 doctors at the Seven Alamar Hospital in Westmoreland. As the years went by, the number increased. Some eventually opted for a Jamaican passport. At least one attorney says in recent years, Cuban healthcare workers have sought legal services to become Jamaican citizens.
Certainly in my practice between 2021 and 2023, I've had over 30 applications of Cuban nationals who utilize descent.
Claiming descent means automatic qualification for citizenship because of blood ties to Jamaica.
A number of Cubans have utilized the option of descent, and this is because their foreparents were Jamaican citizens, and so once they have the birth certificate or marriage certificate that can show that these persons were actually Jamaican citizens, they can utilize that, and they have done so.
Our aim is not to lose any patient.
We don't reach any crisis position yet.
Tomorrow, the ministry says there's absolutely no crisis at this time in the health sector. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.